September is here, and GoPro just released the GoPro Hero 13. Time will tell if it is lucky or unlucky for GoPro, and if the changes are worthwhile. GoPro is the original action camera, and I tried the GoPro 9, I think it was, which had GPS included back then. I found the GoPro back then quite unreliable and had to send it back twice, both within the year's guarantee, luckily. GoPro was good to replace the products with refurbished items, but I was still disappointed with the product being that unreliable. The GPS was one cool feature I liked, as I like to add overlays on my videos for cycling and walking. However, most of the time when trying to edit the GoPro video, it would say no GPS data, despite me checking at recording time that the GPS signal is shown as strong. I like the GoPro live streaming feature also, but sadly, it was also poorly implemented and I basically barely got it to work. GoPro tech support would say they are aware of the problem and they will fix it. You have to pay extra for this live streaming feature via annual subscription, which is at a reasonable rate, but still, if nothing is working, then it is not worth paying for. I did wait over 6 months for GoPro to fix this. Their support was quite stubborn and arrogant, as they did not even want to compensate for the unused time of subscription due to their feature not working. Complacency and arrogance has been the downfall of many companies, so hopefully GoPro wakes up. The competition isn't sleeping, and Insta360 and DJI have released excellent cameras. Especially Insta360 is amazing, for me at least. I love the tiny Insta360 Go 3S with 4K, easy mounting and action pod. The Insta360 overlays are more superior than GoPro, as they can integrate with wearables like Apple Watch or Garmin and include many cool metrics. Of course, some will need GPS built in, but for me, the Apple Watch integration and overlays are really powerful. I think content creators are looking for an ecosystem, so it is the combination of the camera, accessories, and smart app that matter. GoPro needs to seriously invest in app developers, as their smart app is laughable compared to Insta360 and DJI. The AI editing and other features in the Insta360 app are really useful, and GoPro needs to improve in this area. Let's hope GoPro has fixed their reliability issues, improved the GPS antennas, fixed live streaming, and didn't add new issues. Now let's look at some positives. GoPro has decided to differentiate itself a little by offering swappable lenses. The anamorphic lens, wide lens, and even ND filters could be good for certain content. I'm not sure about the macro lens, as that is better for a camera or good video camera, but hey, different users have different use cases. 10-bit color and HLG is probably good and unique for playback on smart TVs. GoPro has innovated a bit and has a magnetic contact charging idea, which looks very useful. The magnetic finger mounting, well, it copied that idea from others. Then again, the GoPro finger mounts were also copied by others. At least there is an industry standard for the mounting fingers and threaded screw mount. This gives content creators access to lots of accessories. I read about the new 400 frames per second for slow motion, but that seems more of a marketing stunt. As at 720p, the quality will probably be bad or only for small screens. It does do 4K up to 120 frames per second though, which is very good. Also, wireless microphone support is pretty cool for vlogging, interviews, or other use cases. If you are thinking of upgrading from an older GoPro, then your old batteries will not work, as there are new batteries with more power in the GoPro Hero 13. Well, that was a short summary of the new GoPro Hero 13. It will depend on your needs if you think this camera is for you or a worthwhile upgrade.